Subscribe to the Helpful Techniques and press the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, my name is Pirevrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, I'm again back with a golden job opportunity. This time Cisco is hiring freshers for the role of software engineer intern. So after completing the internship successfully, you will become the permanent employee of Cisco. So it's basically for Bangalore location. Experience required is freshers. That means you need not to have any experience required for this role. So qualifications. So BE, BTech, ME, MTech people are eligible with CSE or the CSIT background. So then batch 2021 2022 people are eligible for this one only. So these are the one of the most important criteria, so that's why I've highlighted all these things especially. And the salary, so you'll be getting 6 LPA for this role. So they have not mentioned any salary structure in their official website or in the advertisement. So according to the Glassdoor review, you'll be getting 6 LPA. So your salary might get increased according to your skills or the according to your performance. So for your uh, reference purpose, I added the salary according to the Glassdoor review for only your reference purpose. Then the interview date. So once your profile gets shortlisted for this role, you'll be notified regarding the interview date and time. So remember one thing, every month Cisco hires freshers for this role. So if you miss the opportunity, then don't worry, the next month or the next period you can apply for this role checking the official website. So I'll be providing the job link in the description of this video, so you can keep checking their official website if you once miss the opportunity. Then other criteria, so CGPA, you must have obtained minimum of 8 CGPA out of 10. So if you belong to 2021 and 2020 year of pass out and you belong to CSE CSIT background and you have achieved less than 8 CGPA, still you are not eligible for this role. So these are the important criteria here. So then, as we discussed earlier, 2021 and 2022 people are eligible for this role only. Then excellent written and verbal communication skills are required as well for this role, because these are the one of the most important thing whenever you are applying for this role. So comfortable in fast-paced and dynamic environments. Then the basic skills required, so you must have solving abilities or the capabilities. Then the object oriented design, that means object oriented programming you must know. Then test driven development and continuous integration or the testing or the delivery. Then proficient with general purpose programming languages like Golang, Java, JavaScript, C++, Python, etc. And development technologies like Git, Jira, etc. And the database technologies like relational database, for example, Oracle, you can say NoSQL, MongoDB, etc. And the big data technologies, Hadoop, Snowflake, etc. So you must have all the basic knowledge about all these things. Like whenever you are developing a software, you need to know any of the programming language like C, Java, etc. And that for developing a project, you need to connect with the database. So in order to connecting with the database, you must know the relational database like Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, etc. And big data will add a plus point. If you know big data, then it's very good. Then solid programming background in an object oriented development. So basically they're focusing mainly for object oriented development. So before applying for this role, you must know the object oriented programming in in Java, Python, etc. So understanding of threads, synchronization, locks, deadlock, you can say. So the concurrent programming and the load balancing, etc. So let me take you to the official website. Here you can check other eligibility criteria or the job description. So if you are eligible for this role, you can apply for this role by clicking on the apply option here. So here you can see it's for internal job. So remember one thing, will be developing the internal applications for the Cisco. So here you can see all the details, C++, Python you need to know. So at the end, you need to apply for this role if you are eligible for this role. So I will be providing the job link in the description of this video, so you can check other job details and apply for this role as soon as possible. So I hope you get a clear idea about this job or this profile. So if you miss the job opportunity, then no problem, in the next month or the next period you can apply for this role. So please stay connected with us regarding latest off campus type details by subscribing to our channel and by joining to the any social media profile. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.